Sol Invictus, the Unconquered Sun, isn't a movie or a video game. It's an interactive app that tells the story of space technology, energy dependence, and the growing crisis of our reliance on non-renewable fuel. We cannot last as a civilization, as global, national, or even local societies without enough energy, and we simply can't turn back the clock when our supply of oil runs dry. There are 7 billion people on this planet now. We can't even distribute enough resources as is to provide for them. And that scarcity breeds conflict. Conflict between nations, between religions, between factions in every divided society. Right now, the most important resource in the world is energy. In the future, that resource will only become more important. We need it to grow our food, to pump our water, to shelter our people. Governments, medicine, and communications all rely on energy. Demand is growing, and supply won't last forever. We all know that. But what can we do about it? Here's the thing. It's late, but it's not too late. We have energy alternatives. The answer is right above us. The sun is a clean, virtually inexhaustible source of energy, and we can tap into it. On the ground, solar panels are affected by weather, by the atmosphere, or by the mere rotation of the Earth. But in space, satellites can collect vast amounts of solar energy and beam it down safely to receivers all over the world. And I know what you're thinking. It's impossible. The scale of that is too much. It's too expensive. It's dangerous. Well, the truth is, it isn't. The science for this exists. The technology is real. The resources we are already allocating to non-renewable, carbon-emitting fuels are much more expensive and more destructive than we will ever realize. At this point in time, our reliance on old energy seems unavoidable. It seems to be our only option, but it doesn't have to be. Together, we can design and, more importantly, build the next generation of solar-powered satellites that utilize reusable launch vehicles with converted power plants and grids to solve this problem. The power of the sun remains unconquered, but not for long. It isn't too expensive, it isn't too audacious, and it isn't too late. You can do this. We can do this. Together, we can conquer the unconquered sun.